Wesh le peuple, c'est Zone, on se retrouve pour une nouvelle vidéo. Dans cette vidéo, il y aura beaucoup de fights, en 1v1 contre un YouTuber et une défense de base. Donc dans un premier temps, on va se fight contre le YouTuber. Donc il proposait un petit 1v1 nature, je me faisais chier, j'ai accepté. Donc comme vous allez voir, c'est un fight assez serré. Il avait une connexion qui l'avantageait assez avec ses KB négatifs, on va dire. Bon, soit il était pas mauvais. C'était un fight assez serré. Aussi, n'hésitez pas à me dire ce que vous voulez comme vidéo dans les commentaires. Des petites séquences où je monte ma base, où je farm, etc. Franchement, n'hésitez pas parce que moi, par PvP, je sais rien faire d'autre. Et plus sérieusement, dites-moi ce que vous voulez voir et j'essaierai d'en mettre un peu plus. Parce que là, c'est plus ou si vous voulez que du fight, mais genre dans différents endroits, dans des AP, des 1v1, etc. Bref, je vous laisse sur cette petite séquence. Même si je sais que vous aimez pas, j'ai pas le choix, je vais mettre un peu de musique. Et après, on se retrouvera pour une petite défense de base.
KOVK. Be that generation. Overground to die, nigga. Free tune. Yeah. All of my youngest, some savages running your trap, hit you up with them packages. Rob you for bricks, finesse you for pounds. Fuck all that talking, they laying you down. That'll teach niggas about playing around. Cartel connected, you better respect it. Fuck up the paper, send you to your maker, they laying you 6 feet under the ground. Riding with choppers messed up like Chewbacca, got dressed like a roster, free all of my partners. This one for Sosa and Gio, I got you. Bentley was happening, Latona was cracking. Dub, TG, Daru, what it do? Down, I see you, lay back and be cool. I'm fucking this hoe and she wet as a pool. I'm feeding a dick and you buying her food. Shopping and robbing and shopping, break bread with my niggas, you know how we rockin'. Hitting these licks and counting this cake. I don't give a fuck, I'm burying my face. Hoping I live to see me a new day. He got that chopper and ready to spray. I'm running through bitches, what more can I say? Kush came from Cali, shout out to the Bay.
Niggas I know they come shop for the work. Lay you on the floor and take all of your cash. Fucking these bitches, no cuffing these bitches, no loving these bitches, they all for the smash. Niggas I know they come shop for the bricks. Lay you on the floor and take all of your pounds. Got love for my niggas, shed blood for my niggas, but slugs for my niggas, I die for my rounds. Niggas I know they come shop for the work. Lay you on the floor and take all of your cash. Fucking these bitches, no cuffing these bitches, no loving these bitches, they all for the smash. Niggas I know they come shop for the bricks. Lay you on the floor and take all of your pounds. Got love for my niggas, shed blood for my niggas, but slugs for my niggas, I die for my rounds. I be with the dope boy like that nigga Ricky. Money got me hypnotized like that nigga Biggie. It's get rich or die trying like that nigga 50. And I'm about to go dumb like Timmer. You ain't talking money, we look at you funny, little nigga, you wasting your breath. I told my niggas I see you at dinner, we eat until nothing is left. My bro in the kitchen, he chef, but he keep that tech, you would thank you, ref. That 30 on me like I'm Steph, but all of my bitches is Jazzy as Jeff. Fresh, Prince in the city of Queens, chasing that sack till they crown me a king. Sacramento home team, I'm better than clever, but harder than Weber whenever. Whoever, however they want it. No competition, ain't got no opponents. My seat at the throne, they can't stand that. Cause I am Eminem, Kim, and Stan rap. A nigga might start shooting a fire, I don't know y'all. My city made a nigga heart so cold, dog. Yo, bitch got nice lips and I'm like road dog. Pole foes till I'm throwed off. The biggest menace since Dennis and old dog. Ay. Niggas I know they come shop for the work. Lay you on the floor and take all of your cash. Fucking these bitches, no cuffing these bitches, no loving these bitches, they all for the smash. Niggas I know they come shop for the bricks. Lay you on the floor and take all of your pounds. Got love for my niggas, shed blood for my niggas, but slugs for my niggas, I die for my rounds. Niggas I know they come shop for the work. Lay you on the floor and take all of your cash. Fucking these bitches, no cuffing these bitches, no loving these bitches, they all for the smash. Niggas I know they come shop for the bricks. Lay you on the floor and take all of your pounds. Got love for my niggas, shed blood for my niggas, but slugs for my niggas, I die for my rounds.
To keep it 100, I'd rather get blunted. These bitches be out for the smash. I bleed for my brothers, I love 'em, we thuggin', they running your spot for the cash. A bitch nigga run up, I post her with gun as they go down, they bustin' your ass. I'm up to the sun up, I'm jugging with Bird, no stunner, we overground hard for this cash. We ain't kidding like JK, my own boy got an AK. Only aiming where your hood hang, and Rockefeller like just blaze. The AKMJ, how I get face. Pussy nigga Shaq feet, boy you been gay. These niggas MIA like where they stay. I'ma Better catch him with the work in the breezeway. Better freeze or catch a bullet like a breeze play. We need cake like a B-day. I hang with my niggas, my woes. Don't fuck with too many cause niggas be hoes. Bitches ain't shit, they go fuck with your foe. All for the smash, so I'm passing the hoe. Sprint to the money, I dash and I go. Cause niggas be bitches and acting like hoes. Be screaming for 12 when they call them the most.
Niggas I know they come shop for the work. Lay you on the floor and take all of your cash. Fucking these bitches, no cuffing these bitches, no loving these bitches, they all for the smash. Niggas I know they come shop for the bricks. Lay you on the floor and take all of your pounds. Got love for my niggas, shed blood for my niggas, bust slugs for my niggas, I die for my rounds. Niggas I know they come shop for the work. Lay you on the floor and take all of your cash. Fucking these bitches, no cuffing these bitches, no loving these bitches, they all for the smash. Niggas I know they come shop for the bricks. Lay you on the floor and take all of your pounds. Got love for my niggas, shed blood for my niggas, bust slugs for my niggas, I die for my rounds.
Dub TG Thug. Yeah.
Nigga go crazy on yappers, run with them choppers, cooking up beef with that China. I'm a young nigga who's solid, max on that shotter. WTG, that's on my mama. Show me a check or show me respect. Either way you go, I'm coming for next. These bitches around me, they know I got next. You taking her out, I'm taking them out. She strip on the side, I'm dick on the side. Broke down the whole brick and got rich on the side. Come to my crib, you see killers inside. Shout out to Beater, I'm from the north side. Bless up the Getty, I love the west side. Thuggin', 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 thuggin' it out. Boy, your shit down. Come to my city, you might not get out. Niggas be claiming they know me, don't know what you talking about. Nigga, don't try to bro me, you'll get a gun in your mouth. My nigga, that's not a real rollie. Why are you playing around? See, you let these bitches control you. You are not fit for the crime. Kings.
Niggas I know they come shop for the work. Lay you on the floor and take all of your cash. Fucking these bitches, no cuffing these bitches, no loving these bitches, they all for the smash. Niggas I know they come shop for the bricks. Lay you on the floor and take all of your pounds. Got love for my niggas, shed blood for my niggas, bust slugs for my niggas, I die for my rounds.
Ok, donc on a fait un second fight après celui-là. Sauf que j'ai décidé de pas le mettre. Parce qu'au final, il a crash et sa connexion au deuxième fight a bugué vraiment. Du coup, c'était moins intéressant. Du coup, je voulais juste le premier fight. Donc voilà, au final, je pense qu'on peut dire que j'ai gagné le fight vu que j'avais plus de joueurs que lui. C'était un bon petit 1v1, il était fair play. Et je me suis bien amusé, surtout que c'était mon premier fight de la journée. Donc voilà, on se retrouve pour une seconde séquence où je vais essayer de défendre ma base, faire ma farm surtout. Ok, donc là les potes, il y avait un mec à ma base, du coup on fait une défense de base. Ok, donc il y a des bugs sur le serveur, c'est pas fou. Putain, mais arrête de tout. Ok, donc là j'ai dû couper une petite séquence parce qu'il y avait des bugs. Genre ça me remettait une ancienne image. Et puis bref, c'était pas très beau à voir. Et voilà, ça fait une petite séquence bonus où on fait un petit fight contre un mec quoi. C'est plutôt, enfin une défense de base quoi. Bon, le mec qui perd un peu ses moyens, j'ai l'impression, mais tranquille. Ok, donc là comme on peut voir, il y a tous ces bots qui sont arrivés en masse. Du coup bah j'ai préféré essayer de fuir vu que bah le 3v1 surtout s'ils étaient double stuff c'était pas très possible quoi. Mais voilà, c'est quand même un bon petit fight, c'est pour ça que je vous le mets en fin de vidéo, c'est une petite séquence bonus. À la base devait y avoir que le petit 1v1. Mais bon, j'ai eu cette surprise en revenant à ma base. Bref les potes, c'était Zone. Oubliez pas de vous abonner, de lâcher un petit like des familles, ça ferait plaisir. Et de vous abonner aussi, ça serait super sympa. Bref, merci les potes, c'était Zone, bye bye.